This is the start of Blizzard 2021. And it's not snowing. It's ice. I don't know if you can tell. Look at my jacket. Pay attention to my jacket. You see all the little ice pellets? It's not rain. It's not raining right now. It's just ice. Yeah. Let's set up a couple things to help us gauge how much snow we get. Because we're supposed to get a whole bunch. Oh, that's really frozen. Oh! I put the wipers up so they don't like freeze to the windshield. So this is a car at the start of the storm with no snow. They said we're supposed to get anywhere between 8 and 12 inches of snow. We don't ever get 12 inches of snowfall in one storm, and it's like 25 degrees. I don't understand. I'm so confused. Where's the snow? It's too cold to be ice. We need some salt just in case, because things might get icy. Family.
Huh?
Colin, are you ready for Blizzard 2021?
Probably.
Probably.
I mean, we just got food, so.
This is true. Veronica ordered a click list, so we had to stock up on the essentials. Looks like no one's pooping for a few days, aka cheese galore. My goodness. Babe.
No, I shut the doors.
What?
You ready for Blizzard 2021?
It was supposed to be a blizzard, but now it's just freezing rain.
It's just rain. If quarantine has taught me anything, it's how to keep yourself entertained. So, I don't have a black magic marker, but I'm just gonna mark on this. This is a plunger stick. This is a scientific measurement tool, you know?
Right here.
Look, we already are at like the 5. What?
It is raining. It's freezing rain. It's raining ice cubes, Liza. With all this freezing rain, we was expecting a lot of snow, and we're just getting all rain, all freezing rain. So, I mean, it's pretty early for dinner for us, but since we still have power, I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and get dinner cooked, so that way we're all fed. Everybody's been showered. Carson's finishing up his chores, and then he's gonna get in the shower so everyone's clean. I actually have laundry in, so I hope that the power doesn't go out so I can get the laundry finished.
Can you guess what I'm playing?
Liza found a new game. Moving Out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and Kane
It's really
played it
fun.
together. It took like a few days.
Fastest way to shred chicken. Put it in your mixer. Oh! Wrong way! Go! Perfectly shredded chicken. Within 30 seconds. So now you just add, that whole pack of chicken breast. I do leave some extra for the kids because they like there's plain chicken. But you just add some chicken to a pan. I like a little extra, but it's about a 1/4 cup of green onions, cumin, oregano, and salt. Makes you sneeze. About 2/3 cup of your flavor salsa, whatever you prefer. Then it should look a little something like that. So now you just take some butter and brush it lightly on one side.
Lots of filling?
I mean, it depends on how big.
Enough. They are the greatest quesadillas. I know a lot of you guys have followed our recipes. These aren't our recipes. We've just picked them up throughout the years of cooking dinners. But you guys have loved a lot of the things we've done. And the one I see the most, babe, the most people tweet me and tell me about the Alfredo roll-ups. The most. That is the favorite.
Those are good.
Shout out to those of you who tried it. And if you haven't tried it, you gotta go back and find them. I think the video is titled that or something.
Cheese. Sprinkle some cheese to your liking. We like lots of cheese.
That's it. You just put cheese and
then
then you
you just
close
put-
them
yeah.
and you put them in the oven
Yeah,
for
until
a few
they're-
minutes. Until
yeah,
they're crispy.
just
Make sure they're crispy. That's the best way. We have to update on the outside. Check this out. I brought the umbrella because this will be the best way to hear it. Listen. That's not rain. That's all ice. Look at the car already. And it's only been like an hour, dude. Look. It's just ice. This is crazy, bro. I'm just glad it's not like wet rain. Because if it was wet rain and it fell on the power lines, then it would pull power lines down. I've seen that before. It's not good. Hey, what are you doing? It's so cold. I don't understand why it's not snow.
Hot.
How does that cool things off? I never understood that. It's crunchy? It's good? Carson likes it. The seasoned one is where it's at. With hot sauce, the Taco Bell hot sauce, and sour cream. What are we gonna do after dinner? This is the blizzard of 2021. I'm expecting more craziness than this.
I gotta try and get some laundry done. In case the power goes out. So we have all clean underwear.
That's important. Liza, are we gonna play games? Liza wants to play video game.
Yeah. It's
What?
called moving out.
Moving out? Alright. It's video game time. We've had food. I haven't had any dessert. I want some dessert actually. I had to have a phone call about some stuff. We're trying to make some really cool things happen with garage bands and like doing on location shows and like thinking about how to make garage bands a thing
Come on, quick.
after the pandemic situation ends. It's tricky but fun. It's been a lot of fun. This is also fun. Video games.
And the grill's falling out. Yeah.
Woo! We got it all on there. Oh boy. Oh my gosh, listen to that.
Yeah. I'm scared. I'm gonna fall. Oh yeah, you can see.
Crazy.
It's like really wet. I don't want to take the camera out there.
I wouldn't. She's like, I want to go outside.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is crazy. Oh no, you're punching through the snow. That's not good.
Oh yeah, it's icy.
Oh no, dude.
100% everything.
Oh no. Listen to that.
Oh yeah, layer. Layer.
Crap, dude. Well, it's the next morning, and I think we should go take inventory on this wild snowstorm. I don't know, dude. It doesn't look that impressive. Sadly, I feel like the coveted snow day is all but disappeared. Because what, you guys, although you didn't have school today, you still have school.
It's remote day.
Ouch. That stinks, dude.
They have all their assignments. They can hurry up and get them done and be done in an hour or two.
This is true.
And then have the rest of the day.
To play in the snow, but we're gonna see if the snow is playable because I have a feeling it's that kind of snow that if you try to sled on it and you break through, it's like a sheet of ice on top. I'll show you. Oh, let's check our depth meter. Oh. I'm walking on top of the snow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so so that's at level just past 5. That's nothing, dude. We gained almost nothing. But as you can tell, it's like I'm walking on top of snow. This is crazy. One thing's for sure, it is very cold. I think the real feel right now is 2 degrees. And it's supposed to get much colder tonight. So I think we should try the, remember when we did those frozen bubbles before? I want to try that again, but maybe this time with like food coloring or something. Main roads are pretty much clear. I mean, there's a ton of snow all over the place, but it's not that bad. You know, they hyped this storm up so much. It was like some businesses even closed before the storm, anticipating this like incredible snowfall. Let's not detract from the severity of the situation. where like I feel so deeply for the people of Texas right now who are without power and been without power in record-breaking low temperatures. So Texas, I'm thinking about you hard, dude. I can feel your pain right now driving in my Jeep that has no heat, but I'm privileged enough to be able to go home and still have heat. I wish there was something we could do, and I can't help but think about why is Texas without power. And I'm getting a lot of reports about like frozen wind turbines and stuff, so it makes you wonder like what is the absolute efficacy of a green power grid when something like this happens. I'm just thinking about you, Texas. I really hope you guys get through it all right. I can't believe that you're seeing that type of temperature. Last time I was in Texas, it was like 120 degrees and so humid you could barely breathe out. That was in Houston. Just another wild, I guess, pin in the board of 2020 and 21. I'm gonna edit because I want to get, they're doing school and that might take a while. And I want to get situated to do those frozen bubbles tonight because it's going to be super duper duper cold. And we did that a couple years ago, I think it was. And that was so much fun. So I want to try and put that together for this evening. It's starting to snow now. And blow. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. Alright. Well anyways, I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and warm. And with that, that's where I'm going to leave you on this one. Let me know, how was this big winter blizzard storm in your area? I'll leave a link in the description for the Discord where you can leave comments there, or you can always, hit me up on Twitter or Facebook or whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. We love you so much. Keep your mind in a positive place, because what you think about, you bring about. We'll see you next time. Bye.